The breathtaking natural beauty of Kashmir. The shepherds take their cattle for grazing. The frozen hill slopes melt into the gurgling river. Mountain river gallops away on rocky path. Nature has inspired many a craft tradition in Kashmir. Ghulam Hassan Mala weaves carpet to maintain his family of 6 members. The veteran weaver is making this carpet for the national award. He wants to put all the flora and fauna of Kashmir on his carpet. He said one day his children will take pride on his contribution. Genuine Kashmiri carpet is worth gold. It carries a high price tag in the international craft bazaar. A genuine Kashmiri carpet sells at rupees 13 lakhs in a Hyderabad mall.
जो यहाँ मैं पहले कारपेट बना रहा हूँ उसके नाटे सर 200 से ऊपर है।
अच्छा,
पर स्क्वायर इंच 200 नॉट्स।
पर स्क्वायर इंच 200 नॉट्स।
200 नॉट्स
जी।
अब मैं जो बना रहा हूँ
जी,
ये मैं बना रहा हूँ पर स्क्वायर इंच 4900 नॉट्स पर स्क्वायर इंच।
पर स्क्वायर इंच
जी,
इसलिए आपको टाइम लगेगा।
इसलिए आपको
इसको ये जो आपने किसी ने ऑर्डर दिया है या किस लिए आप बना रहे हैं?
नहीं, ये मैं शौक हो गया था।
अच्छा,
कि कुछ मैं जिंदगी में कुछ करूँ ऐसा
जी,
कि मेरा नाम रहे।
But the genuine carpet makers are losing interest. The cheap mill-made carpet are fast replacing the genuine handmade carpets. Genuine carpet weavers need regular income and social recognition. Syed Fida Hussain, the noted papier-mâché artist of Srinagar, gets immense pleasure from his work. The pleasure of painting helps him pass through difficult time. He can paint the different shades of the rose petal. Those shades can be seen through a magnifying glass. There are hardly 20 genuine papier-mâché artists in Srinagar. Genuine papier-mâché work has a ready market in international craft bazaar. Papier-mâché artists make wide range of items like boxes of different size, wall hangings, jewelry cases, cigar case, pen stand, cards, table mats, flower vase, masks, animals, birds, and mobile covers. Kashmiri embroidery is very popular. It creates jobs for young artisans. The ethnic dress provider. The spices of Kashmir. A flourishing horticulture sector. Wood carvings of Kashmir are exported to Europe and Middle East countries. Kashmiri artisans make delicate carvings on furniture, utility and decorative items. Ancient Dargah in Kashmir preserves priceless paper mache work on its walls. Myths and mysteries always contribute to the tourism sector. It is said the great sage Kashyap scooped out Kashmir from a vast water body. Kashmir was originally known as Kashyapapura. It became the center of learning and spiritual activities. Sanskrit scholars, artists, poets, and philosophers excelled in this atmosphere. Powerful warrior kings patronized the spiritual and scholarly activities. As the Indian kings and rulers indulged themselves in luxury and in fighting, the Kashyapapura fell into the hands of foreign ideologues who changed the spiritual landscape of Kashmir. The place was home to the Saivites.
अगर्व सर्व मंगल कला कदंब मंजरी रस प्रवाह माधुरी विजृंभणा मधुव्रतं स्वरांतकं पुरांतकं भवांतकं मखांतकं गजांतकांधकांतकं तमंतकांधकं भजे जयत्वदभ्रविभ्रमिभ्रमद्भुजङ्गमस्फुरत् थगत्थगत्थगध्वनिर्गमत्कराळफालहव्यवाट् धिमिद्धिमिद्धिमिध्वनन्मृदङ्गतुङ्गमङ्गल फनिक्रमप्रवर्तितप्रचण्डताण्डवशिवोऽहम्.
One will come across remnants of more than 80 Shiv temples in Kashmir.
This temple was built in 8th century by a king named Avantivarma. Okay, and it has been destroyed because of a lot of disturbances in Kashmir. And there is another temple near to Anantnag, which is a Vishnu Alayam, and it is also in ruins because it is also totally destroyed. And there you will not even find the Murti of the Bhagwan. I believe it has been shifted to museum, but no, clues yet.
Those places still attract large number of pilgrims from different parts of India. Those spiritual abodes can contribute to the vibrant pilgrim sector in Kashmir. The natural beauty of Kashmir not only inspires art tradition, but it attracts large number of tourists from all over the world. In the month of May, the snow melts and the green valley begins to appear. Pine forest and snow-capped mountains lit up the atmosphere. Snow-covered valley is the real attraction for the tourist. Well laid out gardens in Srinagar are the favorite haunt for the tourist. Tourist flow triggers a wide range of economic activities. The cable car operators get good business. The masala moriwala is happy as the tourists cherish his delicacy. The local people offer sledge ride to tourists. Hundreds of horses wait for the tourist. The taxi owners remain busy in tourist season. The boatmen take tourists for a joyride.
Mother Nature has given everything to Kashmir for human survival, health, and happiness. Every state in India has a vibrant natural sector. But human greed destroys everything. This is the condition of the world-famous Dal Lake. Unsustainable economic activities aggravates human sufferings. It is very essential to keep Kashmir as natural as possible. More concrete structures distort the natural beauty of Kashmir. The tourism sector will suffer irreparable loss. The biodiversity will disappear. The mountain river will dry up. The snow and pine forest will vanish. Hunger and unemployment will grow. The income disparity will widen. Reversing this trend is possible, and it is in your hand.